Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and this is Madhushri. In this video today we are going to explore about Power BI, and as you all know that Power BI is an emerging field and so many people are rushing towards the Power BI. So it becomes a basic necessity to know about the Power BI. It's not that much difficult and no prior knowledge or experience required in order to learn Power BI and work with it. It is a simple tool wherein we can prepare dashboards, reports in the single page. So, for example, if you want to know about details of any college database, if I take a college database as an example, and if I want to know how many students have been admitted to this college and how many have paid the fees or not paid the fees, how many are writing the exams, then what about the results, that statistics that we are getting every year, then I may have to refer 3 or 4 files in order to get those details. So in case if I upload those files into Power BI and if I prepare a dashboard, then within a single page I can view how many students have admitted, everything within a short period of time. So what Power BI is nothing but displaying the data, whatever we have gathered in terms of any kind of visual like graph or chart, we call it as Power BI. And using that software, we are able to do that. And few versions of Power BI is also there. And apart from Power BI, we have other tools. We are going to discuss it in the future after discussing the Power BI. And before starting with Power BI, you need to know what are the versions or what are the main elements of Power BI. We have desktop versions, BI service version, and mobile app. So you can use desktop or service or mobile app depending on the requirement. So before downloading the Power BI, first thing what you have to do is you should sign up with a free trial using a Microsoft account. Without Microsoft account, you're not able to download it. So in case if you don't have Microsoft account, you can create a temporary account, and then using that account we can download this Power BI. And anyhow, it is open source, you can download it. After verifying the account, you can download it from the net. So since it is a free application, you can gather all the data and you can do visualization. So when you open Power BI, the first thing you get is this page, and whatever it is marked here, we call this as a ribbon that displays common things that we do while preparing the reports or visualization. So here we are able to see an option called as get data, wherein the data that we will get, and that data we will load and we will use for visualization. So later you can do that. It's just we'll understand this. So next, second one is a report view, or we call it as a canvas, where we create all sorts of visualizations, arranged it in one particular manner. And here we have three types. One is a report view. Report view gives you the report of that particular data, whatever we have gathered. And data view will be always in the form of a table. And model view is for connecting your database, querying with the pages, and all those things. And next we have a 3 here. This is a number of pages that you could add for your application. That means in case if I want to prepare 2 or 3 dashboards together, if the page 1 is not sufficient, I can keep on adding n number of pages for this. And this we call it as a page tab. Okay, next, fourth one is visualization. So where you can change your visuals, like your different charts are given, like line chart, column chart, donut, scatter plot, gauze, everything is there. So whichever chart is visible, you can select that and start using that. And you can also use it as a filters for the visualize. And this we call it as a visualization pan. And the last one is a field pan. So this is 5, where the querying elements, filters can be dragged onto the report viewer. So you can drag the fields that are there. I'll show you how to do that. So it can drag and drop here, so that things appears on this. So these are the basic things that you need to know on this. Then what are the data sources that you can connect? You can connect Excel, or SQL, anything. So these are the data. When you click on get data, these are the things that you get. So whichever is feasible according to your requirements, you can just select that and use it. So when you click on that, this is the thing that I'll get. So right now we have selected Excel because it is easy. So that Excel, when you select, you will get a data set here. After that, using this pan, we can start dragging and dropping the things, and you can visualize the things like this. This particular thing is called as a dashboard. As on the data changes, here on the dashboard also, the visuals also changes. So practically, let us do few tasks so that you can easily understand it. So open Power BI, that is already installed in your system. So after opening, select a blank report. Okay, right now, see, you can go for get data, or here it shows the import data from Excel. Since we have Excel file, I'll just import the data. I have so many data sets. I'll select one data set, click on open. The data is being displayed towards the left side. Select that. After selecting, click on load. So data gets loaded. So here you can see what are the data that has been loaded. The fields are seen here. Whichever fields we want, you can just select it. Before selecting it, we will check which chart we want to, select for this. For example, I want a bar chart now. I'll just select on the clustered column chart. Column chart appears on the screen. Now I want the number of box shape, okay, that comes. Then which product has been shipped. See, easily it is displayed. Suppose I want another chart, then I'll click on the plain area. Then if I want to know sales, I'll go for line chart. Line chart appears. So who is the sale person who has done the sales, or the total number of amount versus sale person, you can easily bring on this. So this is how you are going to prepare a dashboard. Few more things you can add to that. You will see those things, how it can be added. It is just a basics that we have started how to do it. The panels, everything, whatever I have discussed, it is here. So surely we'll meet you in the next video and we'll discuss how to do that. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe. Thank you.